Hey guys, welcome to Milo&Me. Today I'm going to be trying out this balloon animal kit I got off Amazon to see if it's any good, if you guys should try it. I've always wanted to get into this, but I never have. Not affiliated or whatever, just a random kit I found when I searched balloon animals. So it was 18 bucks, and I'll put the link down below in case it works out, or in case it doesn't, I guess. It says in the contents, so this is interesting, it says 100 balloons and then a hand pump, but it says the instruction manual, and that says entertaining DVD. So I don't know if I'm going to have to find a DVD player or if that's an outdated thing, because I don't think people really, I've not seen companies hand out DVDs in a while, so we'll see. And yeah, I think that's all from the outside of the box that we really need to know. So let's open it up. Okay, so the first balloons I'm seeing. Oh, what is this? They gave us a marker, probably for like drawing faces. I feel like I really want to do a balloon dog, so it's probably for like drawing eyes and stuff, I assume. Then this first bag of balloons looks just like, doesn't look like balloon animal balloons, they look like regular balloons. I think this one has no, this one's just clear. Weird. Here's a blue one. Yeah, these look like just regular balloons here. I don't know if maybe they're used like in tandem with one of like the long balloons for something. We'll have to see in the instructions, or if these are just for fun that they included. Oh gosh, okay. Multiple things keep trying to come out. I think this is the pump. This is weird. Okay. Why does it have like a script? Oh, Mila's trying to pick up the garbage. Thank you. It's very nice of you. Okay, so I'm not sure what's going on with this. I would have thought that this end would be the pump, but why does it unscrew? And this just looks like a empty capsule. So is this even the pump? Find out. Okay, oh my goodness. Here's the balloons. The long ones. Oh, these are some cool colors. Ooh, I like this blue. I want to use this one. Oh, and they feel nice. They don't feel like they're gonna snap. Hi, I know you can't have balloons. He really wants to be involved down here. Okay. Okay. We have this sticker sheet. It has little faces and just these random dots. Oh, and on this side you have a whole bunch of eyeballs. So we really can make our balloons into characters, which is really cool. I like that. I like stickers. It's really fun to stick stickers on things. Is this the manual? Okay, and that's the last thing in this box. Okay. Oh, this is nice. It's not a DVD, so we're good there. I don't know. It's just a booklet. Let me find. I'm gonna find the balloon dog. That's the one I know I want to do. So this is what the instructions look like. I'm probably gonna stop the video and go over them so I can figure it out. But I'm still wondering how this pump works. Oh, maybe it's just like that. Why does it unscrew then? Okay, I think that this does not need to be unscrewed. I think it's just like this. Okay, so we're gonna try the sword now. Okay, it did take some out of the top. Oh, it took a lot out of the top. Okay, we don't want that to happen, right? Now I have a little thingy on the end. Okay, let's just try to make the sword and see what happens. Maybe I can start with this as my... No, this is supposed to be the top of the sword, I think. It says to create a finger bobble. I don't know what that means, but in the picture it looks like it's just one... Oh, a twisty. Ooh, okay, there we go. We have a twisty. What's next? Wrap a loop that is as big as your hand. Okay. I this, I'm thinking. Twist bobble around loop and twist one more time to secure. I feel like I need to make a thing like boop, 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 and then I can it sort of looks like the picture, except for my sword is not at all straight. What happened to my poor sword? Okay, so even the sword in the picture is a little curved because it's like a balloon, but this is definitely not it, guys. But the twisting down here went okay. My hand fits. So I think if I had enough air in it, this would look like it's supposed to. So I'm gonna probably just move on to trying the dog next. So I did notice this one, it said to leave about a hand length of tail left, whereas the sword one said to leave no length or no room at the end. And it is easier to tie when there's some room at the end, so good luck with that. And then for the dog sculpture, I'm gonna try it now. It looks like it might just be easier to try and follow the pictures on the side than read the written instructions. So I'm just gonna give it a go. Hopefully, if it gets too long, I'll learn how to do it on the side and then just show you, because you don't need to watch me struggle for a half hour. Here's our first doggy. We're gonna do another one now, just to see. Or maybe we'll do a third thing. No, I gotta do a second doggy. I can do better than this. So I made another doggy, and he looks way better proportionally, except for this. He has a super long tail. I'm not sure why. I did end up completely filling him with air. But it's weird because even though he's relatively this guy's size, he has all this extra. So that means this little bit stretches this much. So keep that in mind when you're trying to figure out spacing. But I did figure now I can like take him for a walk. Like this could be his leash. So yeah, okay, hat time. Okay. I dropped the pump again! Okay, yeah, this is gonna be a little easier to tie. Let's see. Oh, I know. Can you hold it? Okay, fine. I'll take it. Thank you. Good boy. I'm gonna put it on this other surface. I know. I don't have treats over here. I'm sorry. I wasn't planning on making so many mistakes. Oh, there we go. It just ripped. The ring came off. Which, I mean, fair. I was manhandling that pretty hard. I'm gonna pick another color just in case that had anything to do with it. We're gonna go pink. Oh my goodness. Look, yes, look. That one was so easy, you guys. So either the color has something to do with what the consistency, like affecting the consistency of the balloons, or the balloons just aren't consistent. I don't know which one. I'm gonna put it this way. Now look, I think I measured it kind of wrong, but hello. It's not as comfortable this way, but I like having these little stick outs. It's funny. Alrighty. Time to go and put faces on things. I'm like a fighter. I'm ready for battle now that I have my hat and sword. I'm gonna be honest. He's a letdown. I'm not gonna put stickers on him. Okay, I was trying to throw it, but there we go. What is going on with this guy? I think this is like a bridge of his nose is dark, but it kind of looks like he has three noses stacked on top of each other. Can I like put it over his dot. No, that looks bad. They do come off okay when you're first sticking them if you want to replace. I feel like he needs a tongue. Can I make him a tongue? Ooh, I have this big red dot here. I'm going to try. Ta-da! He has a tongue! I love him. You get pretty much all unique stickers. So once I use one, I've committed. I never get to use it again. So it's a little hard for me personally. Oh, look at these. Look at these annoyed eyes. I love them. Okay, maybe I'll put my annoyed eyes. I will commit to the annoyed eyes, and I'm going to put them on my hat. I should probably, like, not do this looking to the camera. Because I'm probably putting them the wrong direction. I can't tell. There we go. How does that look? It's perfect! So I just realized I never came back to these regular balloons that they fruit in. As far as I can tell, flipping through the book, they're not used in tandem to create any of the animals. And the one thing I was curious about is if I can also use this pump to blow up these. If we go fast, will it work? Because the second I let go, it's already... So you can definitely get it to work. Personally, I like blowing up balloons. It's fun. Obviously, my breath isn't going to work in the long ones. So I'd rather just blow these up myself. But it is possible to blow them up with the pump. And they are just there for fun. I'm sure you could find a way to, like, stick it inside of a hat or something. Like, if you made this a ring and it's... I don't know, man. But, yeah, they're just there for fun. They're, like, an extra thing. They're not even on the listed on the box, as far as I know. So, yeah, they're just a bonus. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. I apologize deeply about any and every balloon sound that I did not get out of the video. This was way more fun than I thought it was gonna be fun, but it was really fun. I'm really surprised that none of the balloons popped on me, only one of them broke. It's a little weird that some of them were like way easy to tie and others were like impossible. And the instruction manual is like super awesome. Like it tells you how much to fill it up. It has like written and visual instructions, and I didn't really notice anything wrong with the 3 things I did. So yeah, I would definitely suggest getting this if you want to do the balloons. Hi, me again. So, I'm not very good at doing things in order. I remember we had this marker that we need to try out, and I was trying it out, and then Milo decided to bark because someone just came home. So, I'm actually going to show you guys again. I'm just going to give this guy some little hearts on his body. I'm going to put lots of ink on. So, this one is with the bad marker. This one is with the balloon marker that came, and then I'm actually going to just do a circle so we don't mix them up. This one is a Sharpie. See if they smudge. No smudging. See if this smudges. Lots of smudging. So the Sharpie does look a little bit darker, but it smudges on your balloon. So I don't know what the difference of this marker is. It just smells a little bit different, but it's really cool that it doesn't smudge and Sharpie would. So that's really good that they included that. But yeah.
It is I, Milo. This is my mom's voice, but you are very fool that this is me, Milo. Is this not the best outro ever? It's okay. You can be jealous.